Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace your keyboard for your Lenovo ideapad 300, and I'll leave in a link description where you can get these ones brand new on eBay or Amazon. So in order to remove your keyboard, you gotta flip over and unscrew the 3 screws right at the bottom on the triangle form. They have a keyboard icon right on beside them. Once you remove those 3 screws, flip over the laptop, open it, grab a guitar pick. I always use a guitar pick to stick it in between the keyboard and the plastic right there, and you're gonna twist it in a twist motion going all around the top side. Now you're gonna use your other hand to put it underneath. Don't pull too hard. There you go. Now you can actually lift up the keyboard, pull it towards the screen, and right here you're gonna see a ribbon cable. You're gonna lift up this plastic 90-degree angle, and you're gonna slide the cable outside. Now this is your keyboard. There's a part number to it. You can actually search by the part number of the keyboard so you can get the exact model. Once you got the new keyboard, same thing, put it back down with an offset towards the screen, slide the ribbon cable underneath. Let me focus, and then you want to close the plastic right on top of it. And after that, you just want to put the bottom side of the keyboard down first, then push down the corners so you hear that click sound, even the top part. Once you got all those in, close the lid, flip it over, and put the last 3 screws. And I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, thumbs up, and if you have any question, ask me in the comments. Subscribe to win prizes every 500 subscribers. Thanks for watching, guys.